What do you understand by age is a number? Do you support this statement or not? If you support, then stay till the end. If you don't support it, you also stay till the end because you have to understand it. Why age is a number? I am a supporter of this statement. So I'm going to tell you about this. That age is just a number. If not, then you will not understand or you will not do anything in your life. Those people who are not hustling right now, those who are their 40 plus years of age, what they think they are going to be old, or they already think that they are the older than anybody else. But people, you have to understand it. If you are not doing it, somebody else will do it. And every time, change yourself and challenge yourself. Change is evident in your life, whether you liked it or not, but change will happen. Whether your age is changing every year, your size is changing, your weight is changing, your face is changing, every time changing is there. And if you are not challenging yourself, your life will not going to change. So challenge yourself everyday basis, because everyday challenge make you do better and better in your life. There is no perfection in anybody's life. If you think that you are going to be perfect and then you will go for anything, then it is not going to happen. Because if you are sitting ideal or just looking ideal, there is no actions required. If you are thinking that, it is not going to happen. Always there is some actions required, because anything there is no actions happened, there is no perfection also will happen. There is no such perfection happened in anybody's life. Think about Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, who always do better in their life, but in his early film debuts, they got lots of flops. After that, he always persisting in that line and get better and better after practicing more and more time. Think about Shah Rukh Khan. He is also those successful people who always got something in their life because of their persistency. So always do the things consistently, persist it, because if you left it something, you will not get. And don't think about your age. Age is just a number, because what you have done in your life. Think about me, that I am in my 40s. I am hustling for to achieve something, to do something better. I am challenging myself, and every day I am turning myself. Why? Because if I am not doing it, then who will take up the challenge for my life? Nobody else. Everyone's take up the his own challenge. That is the main thing. So you have to take up your own challenge, and you will go further and hustle more and more. Take up the actions. More than that, do not go for any actions. Rather, you go for imperfect action, because imperfect actions always gives you more in your life. Because you are right now feared from your mind. That's why you have lots of insecurities, and you will not do any action or the imperfect action in your life. So always take up the challenge and do more. Take up the imperfect actions and don't go for any perfection. Just do it. Because if you are going for perfection, or if you are finding for perfection, then there is no perfection in this world. There is only one thing, that is continuous or the consistent practice. Practice it daily basis. Be a beginner first, then you will go for the excellent one. You will one day achieve that point. You will be a excellent one. but you have to practice right now. And don't think about your age. Age is just a number. Do more, hustle more, achieve more. Thank you. Like me, comment me. Do take very good care of yourself. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.